In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can sign into PlayStation Network on PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, press the PlayStation button on your controller and then go all the way down to like your profile picture. This is the Switch user section, just like so. Select it, and then of course go ahead and select a user in this area that is not currently signed in. Once you're on that user, you need to go up to the settings icon up in the top right, go ahead and select that, and then go to the users and account section just like so, choose that and find the sign in tab. From here, you can either sign into an existing account or create a new one. And if you already have an account, just enter in your email and password, or you can also use the QR code in this exact same section as well. If you're creating a new account, enter in your region, date of birth, and complete any age verification. That is it. That is all you really need to go ahead and do. But once you're done, your account will be signed in and ready to use. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.